let's go back to the basics. I think we have a newbie here. Do dispatchers need insurance? Insurance for what? Well, do you have equipment? Do you actually own the truck? Are you a driver? Do you need physical? Do you need primary liability? Do you need cargo insurance? No, no, and no, because you are dispatcher. You providing service between carrier who is authorized, right, to get active MC. He needs to make sure that he does at least 2 steps. He needs primary liability and he needs BOC3 on file with FMCSA. So if we guys gonna go to, for example, to Safer, let's really fast go to Safer. Let's say just put any name here. Let's say the best trucking or something. Let's put best and let's search, right? So I don't care. 2 Best Loads Inc. Guys, I'm just picking up so you guys can see. So it tells you that this is carrier, right? Let me move myself a little bit. You know what? Let me move this here. Okay. So you can see that this is a carrier, right? Authorized for property. The name of the company is 2 Best Loads Inc. They are located in California. There's a phone number. They have US DOT. They have 5 power units, right? They have 6 drivers. They are interstate carrier, right? They actually probably drive vans because they haul general freight. Here is their safety or their inspections. And if we guys gonna go right here on licensing, right? Licensing and insurance. We have to verify that we are still humans. Okay? We guys gonna see the insurance for these people. So here is their BOC3 form. They did it with the DOT processing agents. Remember, the BOC3 has to come from exactly process agents authorized on FMCSA. If somebody needs to know this, I can show you later. But look at this. They have insurance on file of minimum of 750,000, right? To do what? To actually activate that MC. So the original question was, do dispatchers need insurance? No. You will be working on behalf of carrier. You will be representing carrier with their active MC. We have different authorities. Maybe this is a moving company. Maybe this is freight forwarder. Maybe this is a passenger carrier. Maybe this is a common carrier for hire. So most of us we are common carrier for hire. We need to make sure that we have primary liability as a requirement for FMCSA and BOC3 on file, right? And also turn on, what is this? Okay, something's going on with my life. And also, we need to make sure we have cargo insurance because we're gonna be actually hauling some freight. Let's say this is a product. Right now, this is a Fiji water. This is a product. The moment it's gonna go on your truck, it's gonna become commodity, right? The moment you close your door, this is a cargo, and this is your responsibility. You put in that cargo, you close this door. Now you as a carrier are responsible for that cargo. So one more time. Do dispatchers need MC to become dispatchers? No. Do dispatchers need insurance to dispatch carriers? No. Do dispatchers need to have any other coverages? No. What do dispatchers need to have for sure? Knowledge. Knowledge is the key. What do you need to do? You need to make sure that you understand actually the market, right? You need to make sure that you know how to use load boards. You need to make sure that you know how to set up your future carrier with a broker, 3PL, third-party logistics. Hopefully you understand what does it mean, 3PL, third-party logistics. Who is that? This is your TQL, this is Coyote, every broker, this is a third-party logistics. So no, you do not need to have MC or DOT or insurance as a dispatcher. So please, guys, again, the question is right now here. Giovanni Medina's asking DOT MC. DOT MC as a dispatcher? No, no, and no. As a carrier? Yes. So let's clarify right here. DOT, you will have when? You will have if you're gonna be intrastate carrier, only in one state, right? So if you only decide to work in Texas, you will be carrier, intrastate carrier, and you will get USDOT from Department of Transportation from Texas, right? If you want to go and take short load from Texas to Oklahoma, let's say, and you do not have MC number, well, this would be illegal activity. You will need to add MC number. MC number gives you ability to go 48 states, right? Any other questions, guys? Since I see a lot of complaints from TikTokers, because usually I go live on YouTube and I go live on my Facebook. Today it is your Friday, so I will be answering all your questions right here in a live mode. So before I see any questions, well, let's at least look at our market. So where can you see this? Let me make this maybe a little bit smaller so it's better on your screen. I don't know how you're watching. And please make sure that you guys not driving. Yes, we welcome newbies, and that's how you learn. You ask the questions, you make the notes, and then you just learn something new. So this is good. Any newbie, it doesn't matter if you newbie or not, when person asks the question, this is actually sign that you want to improve. This is a sign that you actually willing to become better. This is a sign that you intelligent enough that you don't want to just jump and pretend to be a pro dispatcher without any knowledge. So good job. So please ask the questions. So let's look what's going on with market today. We finished the November, right? So the first one is showing you the dry vans. Then we have flatbeds and we have reefers. So actually everybody was waiting for the holidays, and the only people who were making a little bit of money are people who were dealing with the Amazon accounts in the last week or so, right? So last 2 weeks, Amazon prices went up. So they are averaging from $250, sometimes $350 per mile. If you average all together, probably they were at $3 per mile. But again, we're talking about shorter loads, right? So everybody got excited about Amazon again. Everybody switching back to Amazon. Guys, it's not gonna last. As many of you know, Black Friday is over. We are almost to the Christmas. So maybe next few days, right?